completing our technical sketching activities, what you're going to do is use this 1/8 inch grid up here in the part, and we're going to enlarge it to a 1/4 inch grid. Now you can use the grid that's here. It might be a little bit hard to see, or you can actually get a piece of 1/4 inch graph paper and use that in order to help yourself out. Okay. So the way it's set up is you're supposed to start with A. Okay. So when I look at A here on my 1/8 inch grid, that's going to represent a 1/4 inch in the real world. So I'm going to go ahead and count out my blocks. And I know that from here to here I have 10, so I want to make sure I space it out enough. So I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, so my first block I can see goes from corner to corner. Then I can count 1, 2, 3, 4 over. And I like to move the paper so that I can get a nice straight line. Notice that I'm not using a pencil. So now I go up 2 and over 2. So if I go up 2 and over 2, it's a diagonal line. I'm not using a ruler here. I'm using a pencil. Then I can count here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I like to know where I'm going to end up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right, that's where I need to get to. So I'm going to draw a nice straight line all the way out to 12. Then I can see I'm just going at a 45-degree angle here. 1. It's 4 blocks up. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I mirror what I did down here. So then I know I go to this point here. Notice that I move the paper so it's comfortable for me to draw the line. If I go a little bit further, because I'm using a pencil, I can erase. Diagonal across here. 1, 2, 3, 4 blocks here. Another diagonal. And then it ends up being 1 block this way. 3 blocks back. 1, 2, 3. Okay. And then I can count the distance from here to here, and I get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I can go out, sketch out to here. That's the outside of this. What I need to do is get this inside cutaway. And I know that it's 2 blocks from the end. I can see here 1, 2, and it's a square. So I'm going to count on 1, 2. That's 2 tall. Okay. And then I'm left with this last little piece here. That is the same height, so we're 2, but it goes out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? So when we're counting across here, it's actually 8 blocks across. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then I can close that off. All right. So you should have a really nice, well done sketch. Even though I'm not an artist and not great at drawing, I can still sketch using some techniques. So I followed the lines. I was able to count the blocks and get my lines to be as nice as I can get them, drawing them straight. All right. Moving on to the next one, we're going to get a little bit more difficult. We're going to add in some curves.